In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Google Ads account. We'll keep this simple and clear, following the exact sequence outlined. Open your Google Ads account, click the account icon, and sign out. Think of this as ending your current session so your account isn't active on this browser anymore. It's a quick way to stop access from your device or switch users safely. Just a heads up, signing out does not permanently delete or cancel your Google Ads account or billing. It simply logs you out for now. Start by heading to your Google Ads account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google credentials and proceed. Once you land on your Google Ads dashboard, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct Google profile, especially if you manage more than one account. You can usually verify this by looking at the top right corner for your profile image or initial. If the interface looks unfamiliar, refresh the page or confirm you're on the official Google Ads site. Next, click on the account icon in the top right corner of the page. This icon often shows your profile photo or a colored circle with your initial. On smaller screens, or if your window is minimized, it might be tucked inside a compact header, so zoom out slightly or maximize your browser if you don't see it right away. Clicking this icon opens a short menu related to your Google account. Now, click Sign Out. This immediately ends your session in Google Ads on this browser. If you're managing multiple Google services in the same browser, you may be signed out of that Google profile across other tabs as well. After signing out, you'll typically be returned to a sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating you're no longer logged in. If you share this computer, this is a good moment to make sure the sign-in fields are blank before closing the tab. And that's it. You've successfully signed out, which stops active use of your Google Ads account from this device. As a quick check, try navigating back to Google Ads. You should be prompted to sign in again. If the account icon didn't appear earlier, ensure your browser isn't blocking scripts. Try a different browser or resize the window. On mobile, the icon and sign out option may appear within a menu, but the action is the same. Remember, this process is about ending your current session. When you're ready to use Google Ads again, simply sign back in with your credentials.